SKAPS Industries is a global leader in protecting, sustaining, and reinforcing the Earth's environment. Every country experiences challenges on a daily basis, whether natural or man-made. Our geosynthetics are extensively used in drainage, filtration, separation, stabilization, reinforcement, asphalt overlay, and erosion control. They ensure exceptional stability, integrity, and reinforcement to the structure. SKAPS Industries was established in 1996 in Commerce, Georgia, USA, to manufacture the highest quality geonet and geocomposites, primarily used in landfills. Today, we are the largest manufacturers of geotextiles, drainage geonets, and geocomposites in the American subcontinent. We are also market leaders in manufacture of technical textiles for use in furniture, agricultural, and automotive industries. SKAPS has a large international customer base across the US, Canada, South America, Australia, the Middle East, India, and Africa. Achieving the highest quality standards consistently requires the commitment to obtain the most modern equipment and proven technology from industry leaders and operated by experienced associates. Our facility in Commerce, Georgia is spread over 25 acres and has 5 production lines, 2 standalone extrusion lines, 1 laminator, and 2 integrated extrusion lamination lines. The Commerce plant in Georgia has a capacity to manufacture 24 million square meters of geonets and geocomposites annually. SKAPS has the most comprehensive range of drainage products to meet the most demanding landfill applications. High-density polyethylene is used to manufacture SKAPS Transnet, a biaxial geonet. SKAPS produces Transnet in thicknesses ranging from 160 to 400 mils. SKAPS Transnet is available as a geocomposite, where Transnet Geonet is bonded with a non-woven geotextile. Transnet is extensively used in landfill and high-load applications where compression resistance is critical. The fabric acts as a filter for the migrating fluid and allows only the leachate to enter the geonet core and drain out. Geotextiles are available in various weights and can be laminated in either a single or double-sided configuration. Non-woven and woven textiles are manufactured in the USA, India, and with a joint venture partner in Brazil. The U.S. facility has 7 production lines with a capacity to manufacture 180 million square meters of non-woven products. The Ahmedabad plant in India manufactures 80 million square meters of woven products annually. The Mundra plant is located in a special economic zone and is right across an all-weather port. It is spread over 18 acres and produces 65 million square meters of non-woven and 50 million square meters of woven products annually. The Brazil location contributes another 3.5 million square meters of non-woven textile products. We offer virgin polypropylene needle punch non-woven geotextiles ranging from 70 GSM to 1100 GSM. All SKAPS geotextile products resist ultraviolet deterioration, biological degradation, naturally encountered basics and acids. Polypropylene is stable within a pH range of 2 to 13. Polypropylene stable fiber used in the manufacture of non-woven needle punch products is sourced from our manufacturing facility in Mundra, India. The plant produces 19,000 metric tons of polypropylene fiber annually. Each location has a modern laboratory for in-house quality checks. All products coming out of any of our plants conform to global quality standards. SKAPS is an ISO 9001-2008, ISO 14001-2004, B&Q Canada, and NTPEP certified organization. Providing quality and service for products along with a strong customer support staff has ensured Scaps customers coming back for almost 2 decades. Some of our most prestigious projects are a landfill site in the USA where we supplied 2,745,600 square meters of 500 GSM fabric and supplied 700,000 square meters of drainage geocomposite for the expansion of Middlesex County landfill that accepts all the solid waste from New York City. For the mining sector, Scaps supplied 6,835,200 square meters of 330 GSM fabric for a mining site in Chile and 500,000 square meters of 220 GSM fabric for another mining site in Africa, and supplied 360,000 bags in India to check soil erosion on the Brahmaputra River. Scaps supplied 726,000 square meters of drainage geocomposite for the water savings basin of the Panama Canal Expansion Project. Quality is the mantra at Scaps and has been our foremost driving factor since inception. Our long-term objective is to continuously support our customers with certified products to protect the world and provide stronger and everlasting infrastructure. SKAPS Industries, the geosynthetic specialists.